Dynasonics TFX-5000 can be fitted to HVAC systems retrospectively. And not only can we reduce labor costs as the sensors are mounted outside the pipe, there's no need to cut the pipe, no need to drain the system. So it can be deployed very quickly and easily to provide better oversight to systems.
Within the HVAC industry, we do see a lot of retrospective retrofit projects where the TFX-5000 is used because of the ease of installation and because of the non-requirement for shutting the system down. An inline instrument such as the electromagnetic flow meter would be far more troublesome to install.